Hi guys, so today we are going to make a snowman. I just got this mold in. This is the first time I've used it. So I've already pre-mixed my resin offline. I added white powder to it. This is the powder that I use. I love this powder. It's very cheap on Amazon, and you get a very decent amount when you purchase it. They have small ones like this, and then they have larger ones. So, like I said, I've already pre-made the resin offline. If you want to see how I do that, you can see that in some other videos that I've done. But to save time, I pre-mixed it offline already. So I already have it. It's been sitting for a little bit, letting the bubbles come out. So we'll just give this a little scrape off and set this off to the side. And yeah, don't mind the little bit of cat hair on the outside of the mold. For some reason it won't come off. There it goes. It came off. So, alright. It's got some small holes in the bottom, so we're just going to pour a little in right now and then just move it around to make sure there's no bubbles in there. So just give it a little squish so it gets down into all the little cavities. A little tap. Little tap. Alright, and then we'll just pour the rest in. Now I did make more just in case I didn't have enough. This is 100 grams of resin, but it looks like we're going to be pretty close. It's a good thing I made extra. It looks like it's going to take about 125 to 130 grams to fill the mold. But let me grab my stick here. Scrape out every last little bit. You don't want to leave any resin behind. I know it's a little early for a Christmas themed resin pour, but I just got this one, so I wanted to see how it turned out. I've been getting a lot of my molds lately off of Temu. I've had no issues with them. The molds that I've been getting are very decent molds. You can click the link in my about page. I have a link to Temu, and you can click on the link and it'll take you to the molds that I use. I get all kinds of my resin supplies off there. It's you're getting the same stuff, but you're getting it cheaper. So anyway, to save a couple dollars. So we'll just finish topping this off. And anything that you see me make here is always for sale on my website. So if you want to go to theresinnerd.com, feel free. Browse around at some other projects that I've made in the past. Everything is 100% customizable, so if you see something you like and you like it in a different color, feel free to reach out to me. And I can make it for you in any color you'd like. So we'll just give this a little tap, make sure there's no air bubbles caught inside. Or as Steve would say, a little squidgy widgy. So I'm going to take my lighter here, just burn off any bubbles that come to the surface. So, and we'll just let this sit and harden, and we'll be back in 24 hours to demold. See you then. Hi guys, so this is nice and solid, so let's go ahead and demold. This is the first time, like I said, I've used this mold, so I don't know what it's going to look like. So we're going to see together. Came out fairly easy. which is nice. Some molds that you get come out, and they take forever to come out. So this is the final project. It's pretty neat. He's got like grooves all over him. Little details came out great. No bubbles, which is always a plus. So, like I said, that's the final project. Definitely going to be making more. Try and figure out how to make these different color, but I think what's going to have to happen is probably paint them. So I might try and paint them with some acrylic paints, see how they turn out. So I had a little extra left over, and I didn't get a chance to film it, but I have this mold here. I love this little mold, but this little mold, let me tell you, it's a pain in the butt to get this guy out. So this is what it turned out. This was the extra that I had. So I made this little baby, I guess, reindeer. Kind of goes along with the snowman. So it's always fun. Let's give you. So this is the little reindeer guy. Whoops. Sorry, I got the dropsies this morning. So this is the reindeer. I love this thing. This is a really beautiful mold. Like I said, it's just very hard to get him out. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. But this is the final for the snowman. And I think I'm going to make a lot more for the holidays. I know it's a little early for Christmas stuff, but it is almost that time of the year. So I have other Christmas projects that I'll be making. So if you got any value out of this video, please like, share, comment. Definitely going to be making some more. Like I said, I have more Christmas molds that I'll be using. I have some Halloween molds. I might make a couple more Halloween things before Halloween. And I'm trying to get a hold of some Thanksgiving themed molds. So until the next one, keep on resin, guys. Have a good one.